Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmonsessentials, bringing you another original design. This is the Indescribable Wreath knot. Let's get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line as usual. We're going to come over. We're going to put in a dimple. We're going to come underneath this time with the skinny end, and we're going to come over like this. We're going to come back around like this. So we're going to do another loop over like a cylinder, and then we're going to come over like this right here. So there we have that. Then I'm going to go ahead and do a wreath, come over here like so, and then we're going to have it go do another wreath, and we're going to put it back through this. So there we have that. I know my hand was covering it up, but so this is what you'll end up with after you pull it through, is this right here. Then we're going to come back. Actually, I'm going to, instead of doing a wreath, I'm going to keep it folded in half like this and come back around like so. And then we're going to come back down here like this. And then I'm going to do another wreath. I'm going to bring it through here like this. And then we're going to put it back underneath here like this. So there we have this. The Indescribable Wreath. So again, if you like this video, like it. If you like this knot, go on Simmonsessentials, my Instagram account for Simmonsessentials, and check out the photo and give it a like as well. Own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video.